Hey guys, welcome. Today in this video I will tell you about how to create a Google Assistant, means how to create a translator app in Scratch. So let's get started. First I will click on my stuff. I have shared this project to my Scratch website Maker Majedar. You can view it there. So this is my Codex Translator. I have named it as Codex Translator. It is loading. Let's wait for some time. This is my here. This is Codex Translator. You can ignore this. So let's get started. First green flag clicked, then broadcast green flag. When I receive green flag, broadcast start. You can remove this and it will also, when you remove this it will work. And when I receive start, switch to costume 1. First you have to make the costumes like this, translate, and costume 2 translate to special effect. And I have also set the background like this, and I have also removed each and every sounds. For example, pop is here, and if you thought that this is a bit different from a normal Scratch website, so don't take tension. I have set it using Scratch add-ons. Then when I receive start, switch to costume 1, go to x0 y0, set the x and y to 0, then go to front layer, show, then put a forever loop, then put if and else, then if touching mouse pointer, then switch to costume 1, else switch to costume 2, then put a if block inside if else, inside if put a if block, then if mouse down, wait until not mouse down, speak what you wanna translate. I have also used here is text to speech recognition. By here you can go click on add extensions for translate and to text to speech. Then when you speak what you want to translate it, then ask what do you want to get translated and wait. Then set to translate to answer. Make a variable from here, make it hide. Then you can say speak language, then ask language and wait. Then speak translate means to translate, change, set. Then speak to translate to answer. Language will be answer and to translate will be your variable. Then say translate. This is speak and this is say. Then switch to costume 1, else. So let's try it. I will full screen. See, it is having effect. Now I will click on this.
What you want to translate?
I will translate hello.
Language
Welsh, WELSH. Let's see what it says. Hello. I don't know Welsh, but I hope this will work. Thank you for watching.